Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. I'm Radha, your science teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, now we are there in the lesson number 2, isn't it? Lesson number 2. In the last class, we have explained about that air has weight and air can compress, isn't it? All these two things we have done in the experiment form. What is that? Air can be compressed. First one, air has weight, and next one, air has to be compressed. Okay, children, please be ready with your textbook, means studio, notebook, pencil, eraser, and companion book also. Please bring all these things, children. Everyone, please don't go anywhere. Wear the mask when you are going out. And one more thing, you have to have a healthy food, children. Help your parents and take the help of your parents, because FA1 exams are there and later some more exams will be there. You have to go to the next class now. Okay, children, I hope that you will read back. Okay, children. Now, what is that? Title of the lesson. What is that? Title, children. Our lesson number 2, our invisible friend. Our invisible friend. In the last class we have, who is that our invisible friend, children? Very good. Air. About the air we have done so many activities also, children. Isn't it? Are you feeling happy or not? So more activities are there in this. We will do it and we will learn more and more. Okay, children. Now in the last class, two activities we have done about that air has weight and air can be compressed. Now today also one more activity is also there. I will show it to you, children, but you have to wait. But please open your books and read it once, then you can understand well. Okay, children. Now see here, page number 44, children. 44. Today we are going to do one more activity, that's 2.4. 2.4. In this we need some of the things required for this, and one more thing, when you are going to do this activity you should take the help of your parents, means adults. Not only parents, you can take that help of your adults. Okay, adults, and you can tell anything. And means what they are doing, you have to see it. Means they are the adults now, they know what will happen, but you should definitely take the help of your adults, means or parents. Next one, in this we want some things I will tell for you. To do the experiment we need some requirements, some things we need. Is it? You need 2 glass bottles. Okay, I have taken one, 2. Okay, next one, you need 2 balloons. 2 balloons, children. Okay, keep it in your mind. 2 glass bottles and 2 balloons. These 2 are required for us to do this activity. Along with this, we need water. We need water, that is cool water, and one more is hot water. These things we require to do this activity. Okay, first of all, I will show you, children. Let us explain. I will explain it. Take one water bottle. Take one glass bottle. Okay, pour cold water in that. And now you have to close the mouth of the cap by keeping the balloon's mouth. Okay, you have to close that bottle mouth with the help of the balloon. Okay, like this you have to keep. But in this you have to take cool water. Okay, and the next one, take one more bottle. Take one more bottle and you have to pour hot water in this, and again you have to close with another balloon. With that, like this you have to close it. Okay, now what will happen? Let us see. Okay, children, now I will show you how to do. I have taken one bottle. Okay, now this is cool water, children. I am pouring in this bottle. You can see half of 3/4 of water bottle I have filled, isn't it? Now I will close this with the balloon. You have to stretch the balloon mouth and you have to keep like this. Okay. Have you seen? Okay. Now take one more glass bottle. Okay. This is filled with cool water. Now we have to pour in this hot water. Okay children, I will show you how to pour, but be careful with the hot water. Okay. Take the help of your parents or adults children because it is too hot. Okay. Okay. 3/4 of the water I have filled it. Now I will close this with the balloon. I will stretch and I will close. I can't hold it also. Okay. Okay. See children, I kept like this and you have to leave it for 1 minute. Okay, tightly you have to hold. Okay. You have to leave like this. See children, you have to hold it properly. Okay. What will happen? See children, some air is there or not? Isn't it? See, this is the hot water children. Some air is there and actually we didn't blow this balloon. We kept it. But you can see some air is present. See, isn't it? I will show you children. I will show you the cool thing which is not having anything. Means in that air is not there. But in the hot water, see, what is the difference in this? See, this is the cool water children. You can't see anything. Isn't it? It is simply plain. But it is hot water, too hot. Okay. Then you can see some air or not. See, isn't it? How this air got it? Actually, the air which is present in this space, what happened to it? The heat which is present in the, it is hot water now, we have taken. If that heat was, what happened? The heat, heated means the hot water, the air got heated. Because of this hot water, the air got heated because of this hot water, then it will comes like this. Can you see children? You can observe. But whereas in the cool water, nothing is there. Isn't it? Why? Because heat is not there now. Here in this, heat is there. Because of that heat, hot, that air was heated. So it is coming like this. Okay children, this is our experiment and please open your books children, everyone. I will show you one more thing also. Please bring your studios, open page number 44. You have to write children. In this also we have a chart. We have a chart children. Those charts now I will show you about that properties of air. Properties of air we have. This is that properties of air. See, first experiment we have done this, isn't it? Fill 2 balloons with air and balance them on a hanger. Remove the air from one balloon, the other balloon drops down. This experiment we have done or not? Same thing happens. What it is telling? Air has weight. Air has weight. Okay children. Next one, see here. Here we can trap the air in the balloon. Trap the air in the balloon. See here, air fills up the space. Air fills up the space and we can compress. Is it? We have taken a syringe and an eraser, isn't it? In that syringe we have taken air and we have pushed the plugger. What happened? It is going on simply because it is going into the space. Whereas when you close the mouth of the syringe with the eraser, is it the plugger is going easily? No. Actually it is not going completely because there is no compress, means the place is not there. How much of place is there? In that only the air is compressed, isn't it? In this we can, as air has weight, it fills up the space too. When a balloon is filled with air, it gets bigger in size because the air fills up all the space in the balloon. Okay, means here the balloon was actually it is a plane and it is filled with the air, means it is filling the space. Now comes to that last one. Now air expands on heating. Air expands on heating. Actually in the cool water the balloon did not expand. The balloon did not expand, but in the hot water it expands because by heating on the air expands on heating. The air can expands on heating. Here what happened? The air which is present in that bottle is heated by the hot water. So what happened? The air is expanded. The air is expanded. See here, when a bottle with a balloon on its neck, it's kept in a pan of cold water and the balloon does not inflate it. When the same bottle is kept in a pan of boiling water, the balloon expanded. Actually they have kept in the pan, but we have directly poured the water, cold water in one bottle, hot water in one bottle. Did you understand, children? This is one of that. You can see by this, these are the properties of air. Properties of air. Okay, children. Now see, children, you can see some air is expanded in this, whereas in the cool water we can't see any difference. How we kept like that only it is there, isn't it? Whereas in the hot water, some air which is present in this, it is, what happened? Some air is there that is expanded. It is come into the balloon, isn't it? Now please open your studio book, children. In that we have a notes. That notes we should complete it now. Okay, children, please open. See here, first one, already the experiment what we have done, I will read it out. See, two balloons, a glass bottle filled with boiling water, a glass filled with cool water. Means one has to fill with boiled water, one has to fill with ice water. Now what to stretch the mouth of one balloon over the mouth of a bottle with boiling water. You have to keep like this. Okay. See some difference you can see here, isn't it? Means it is that boiling water. Now stretch the mouth of the other balloon over the mouth with the ice water. Then assure that mouths of the both bottles are completely covered by the balloons. What happened? Then somewhat you can in fans, somewhat you can see the balloon in fans which you have covered with the hot water bottle. Whereas cool water bottle, there is no change at all. Why? Because by heating that the air can expand. Okay, children. Okay, because of this hot water the air is heated and it is expanded. Okay, now please write down here what happened to the balloons. What happened? Now I will write on the board. Please write it, children. Everyone. Page number 44. Okay. What happened? What happened to the balloons? What happened, children? Hot water balloon was expanded, was inflated, whereas cool water balloon means which was kept for the cool water. It is not, there is no change at all. Okay, first blank. The balloon over the mouth, over the mouth, mouth of the balloon, of the bottle, sorry, bottle with boiling water, boiling water. Implants means became big. Implants means expanded. We have already discussed in the last class now. Implants means, what is the meaning of implants? Implanted means upward, means expand something by filling with the air, filling with the air or gas, air or gas. Okay, children. This is the first blank. Next one. First blank means they have given two lines here for you, children. Isn't it? Two lines. In one line you have to write like this. And one more line. The balloon over the mouth of the bottle with ice water, with ice water remains it's the same, remains the same, means there is no change at all. There is no change at all. But in hot water we can see some infant in the balloon, because of that air is expanded, because of the heat, Children, please write down this. Remaining two more bits are there. Those things we can complete it now. Everyone, I want to read it again, children. The balloon over the mouth of the bottle with boiling water inflates. The balloon, second one, the balloon over the mouth of the bottle with the ice water remains the same. Okay, write it fast. Okay, next one, page number 44, children, in studio. Okay. Next one, in that only two more blanks are there. Those blanks now we can fill it, children. I will write the answers only. Already it is completely. It is there in your textbook. Okay, I will write on the board. The balloon over the mouth of the bottle with the bottle, sorry children, I have written a mistake here. You have to what here? The balloon fixed. The balloon fixed over the bottle with, here hot or cold they have given, children. You have to write cool. Okay, here they have given brackets for us. Here they have given brackets for us, children. Here we have some thing, means we have to write cool. We have to write cool water. Cool water reminded the, reminded the same, reminded the same, reminded the same. Children, you have, this is the blank. Here, in this also they have given a blank, need not to write. Next one, what you inform means what you have learned from this, children. What you have learned here in the tool name. Next one, the hot water. In the bracket, hot or cool they have given. You have to write hot water. Water caused water caused the air to heat up, to heat up, to heat up. This is the blank, children, you have to write it. Heat up, heat up or cool down, heat up or cool down, cool down. Okay, and rise and inflated the balloon. Okay, children, this is the thing, you have to write it in your notes. First of all, children, see here, I want to read that page number 44. At the last two blanks are there, those things. See here, children, the balloon fixed over the bottle with cool, hot or cold. Water reminded the same. Okay, children. Next one, the hot. You have to, here they have given two options. In that you have to write hot water caused the air to heat up. Heat up, you have to write heat up. They have given two options for that. Heat up, cool down. Okay. Rise and inflate the balloon. Okay. Children, here you have to note down. And one more thing, I think that I have written a spelling mistake in that balloons. The balloon over the mouths of the bottle. I will write it again the answer. If that have written any spelling mistake, you have to correct it, children. You have to correct it. First of all, I will correct it. I hope that I have written. But if not, please see, check it. Double O, I forgot to keep. I think it is not yet confirmed. Where is the answer is there, children? See here. See here. We have written here answer. I think that in a overlook I have written like this. Like this. Isn't it? B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. In overlook, I think that. Please correct it. If I have written B-A-L-L-O-O-N, no problem. If not, please correct it. This is the correct spelling of balloon. Did you understand, children? I think that I have written small spelling mistake. If not, please check it and write it. Okay, children, this is about that hot air rises. This is that means we have learned air has weight, air can be compressed. From this experiment, what we have learned, hot air rises, hot air rises. Actually, you have taken cold water. The balloon does not rise. But where you have taken a hot water, the air rises or not, means somewhat heated. Isn't it? That thing you have learnt in this. I hope that you have understand. Please keep it in your mind, children. Balloon spelling, if I have written like this, please change like this. Okay, children, did you understand? I hope that you have understand, and your homework, you have to do the activity at your home with the help of your parents. Okay, children, please stay at home only and have the healthy food. I hope that you will read well. We can continue our class in the next class. Okay, children, thank you.